All right, so let's talk about how you can start generating more sales for your business, for your e-commerce business. All right, and it doesn't matter if you have some other form of business, these strategies can still work for you. All right, now if this is the first time of you coming to my YouTube channel, my name is Jonathan Melody, and this is where I talk about marketing and sales. All right, Facebook advertising, basically how you can make more money with your business or from your business. So if those are the types of videos that you love to watch, do well to subscribe and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I put out videos such as this. All right, now the first thing I want to quickly clear out before we dive into the three strategies is: one, you have to ensure that your website or your sales funnel is optimized for conversions. Okay, so I want to believe that if you're here and you want more sales, simply means that you're already getting some sales, right? So your offer is tight, your messaging is on point, like you're speaking to your audience, right? So you have all that taken care of, your conversions are doing well. So you want to ensure that your store, your site, your funnel is optimized for conversions. That is the first thing you want to take care of. Now, the second thing you want to take care of is you need to increase your average order value. Okay, average order value simply means how much you tend to make from each customer that goes through your entire funnel. All right, so you have to increase that. All right, let me show you guys something. Now this is my book, by the way. This is the 10x Ecommerce Secrets. This is where you can get it, but I want to share something with you guys. So if I click on this and yeah, I'm gonna probably do this, and let's just get straight to the checkout page. And so I show you guys. By the way, if you've not read this book, try and get it. Just $12 thereabout. Okay. So right here, look at this. Once you have your details filled, you have all your details filled right here. Okay. You have your email here filled. I just want you guys to watch what's going to happen. Okay. First click on, okay. Let's save that. Yeah, okay. This number. Okay. Let's see. Now look at this. Now here is not saying look at this here. Yes, add this to my order. This is what we call a bump offer, right? So it's like an under the radar type of upsell. Okay, so basically to increase your average order value, you need to offer something else to people. That is what I'm trying to share with you guys, in terms of increasing your average order value, right? You need to share something else, like sell something else. When I mean something else, it doesn't mean that just sell something randomly. Okay, that's not what you want to do. What you want to do is to sell something that ties with what the person had just purchased. So it could even be more of that product that they just bought, and it could be something complementary, something that complements that particular product that they just bought. Okay, what this means is if they bought the first one and they're going to buy this other one that you're offering, you don't have to spend on advertising to get that one. Okay, so at the end of the day, you end up making more money from the same customer. Hope you guys get the point. And by the way, what you just saw here, I make use of WooCommerce with CatFlows. So CatFlows is responsible for all of these upsells, these bump offers, these one-click upsells. So I use CatFlows, and of course, if you check the description of this video, you will be able to get a discount on your purchase if you want to get CatFlows. So just check the description of this video, and you'll find a link to CatFlows to make a purchase of the plugin. You can use it with WooCommerce on WordPress. All right. Now, having said that, and I want to believe that you now understand these two things and you have them set up, like you've already taken care of them. So how then do you now increase your sales? The first step you want to do, the first step is to use follow-up emails. Okay, use follow-up emails. Now, remember when I tried to, before I got to this point, okay, on the previous step, let's just go back a little bit. Now, once I click on this, look at what happens. I'm requesting for name and email right here, okay? And so a lot of people do this and they think that they have to really send people to a squeeze page. That's the only way you take leads and all that. No, that's not the only way, right? You can also do something like this. And this, it doesn't matter if it's a physical product or a digital product, okay? So for instance, you're selling wristwatches and probably you don't want to go through the route of taking people to something free, maybe free tips to choose wristwatches or the different types of wristwatches for different occasions. You know, there are things like that you can actually put out, okay? You just have to understand your market and know exactly what you should put out there. All right. So you mustn't always give something free. Okay. It could be a list. You're building a list of people who have intent, and something like this is it's going to give you a list of people with high level of intent. Okay. So for someone to read through this and is clicking on send me a copy, simply means the person is really interested to get that product, right? Exactly. So you end up even getting more quality leads that way. All right, but what's really important here is the part of follow-up emails. Okay, so you're collecting their details, your name, their emails, so that you can follow up on them. Send people emails every single day, send them something. All right, that is how you will be able to increase your sales every single day. I hope you get that point. All right, now the second thing you want to do, okay, is to send cart abandonment. Cart abandonment. Abandonment. You guys get it? Cart abandonment emails. Now, I want to show you guys something. You remember when I was going through this process, I didn't click buy now. All right, I didn't click buy now. I just went back. It simply means I abandoned the process. I abandoned the cart. For most persons, and this is what happens in most sales processes, all right, or in most sales process, people are going to go through your sales funnel, your sales process, and something is going to come up. They are probably are going to forget that they even started that in the first place. Okay, so what you do is you need to set up cart abandonment emails. Okay, set up cart abandonment emails and cart abandonment SMSs. Okay, so both you use both the SMS and emails. Okay, so you basically are getting people back to the checkout page. All right, follow-up emails not necessarily have to get them to the checkout page. You can even take them back to the sales page and all that. All right, they work differently. Follow-up emails and cart abandonment emails or SMSs, they work differently. Okay, so they are not the same. Okay, so but you always want to send cart abandonment email because people are going to abandon their carts. All right, now the third thing is retargeting. All right, retargeting. Now, a lot of people ignore this part and they fail to retarget people who have come, people who are leads, right? People who have tried to check out. So you want to retarget these people because sometimes these emails that you're going to send might not go directly to their inbox. Sometimes they're going to land in the promotion folder. Some other times they're going to land on their spam folder. Okay, and not everyone is going to open their spam folder. Yeah, there are people who open promotion folders, but spam folders are they become very invisible. Okay, they become invisible. Okay, by the way, if you're enjoying this what I'm explaining right here, you want to go ahead and hit the like button. It just helps the channel, okay, gets, you know, YouTube to see that, oh, people love the content that Jonathan is putting up here. Let's get it across to more people, right? And of course, you want more people to see these things so that they can make more sales and make more money, right? And of course, it also encourages me to want to always dish these things out to you guys. Okay, now, so and also for let me just say this for emails, because I know that most of you are going to ask, what can I use for my emails? You use basically autoresponder services. Okay, so I usually recommend MailChimp. Okay, but there are other ones like Aweber. Okay, there's Aweber, there's GetResponse. Okay, all of these are different mailing services that you can use for cart abandonment emails. There is a tool, or there's a plugin that Cartflows has. It's free, and by the way, you guys need to understand that Cartflows still gives they have a free version of their plugin. Okay, so it's not totally they have a free version and a pro version, but you will only be able to do these bump or sales or really increase your average order value by getting the pro version of it. And like I said, you can get a discount from your purchase by using the link in the description. So yeah, I was talking about retargeting. Okay, and we said that, yeah, not everyone you are going to send these things to are going to probably receive the emails, right? So you want to send retargeting, or rather you want to retarget them using different types of ads, carousels, testimonial ads, right? You know, how the product is being used. Okay, because basically you can use your retargeting to, you know, answer some questions, some inner questions that your audience has. Okay, and of course the classic one, which is, oh, you forgot to complete your order. Yeah, that's one that everyone tends to you know, do, right? This is the most common one. But yeah, there are different types of retargeting ads. Okay, that's what you need to understand, of course, and I just told you guys what they are right in this video. Okay, so you can go ahead and start creating these things, retarget people, and Facebook is not the only place that you can use for your retargeting. Okay, you can also use Google. Okay, Google is another place that you can use, okay, for your retargeting. Okay, so guys, that is it. Start implementing this, and trust me guys, you are going to start making more sales than you have previously. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this. And by the way, every week I get to choose someone randomly to have a 30 minutes free consultation with me. But if you know that you want to have a 30 minutes consultation with me without having to wait for all of these, there's a link in the description to book a 30 minutes call. We are going to hop on Zoom and talk about your sales, talk about your business, and see how you can fix all of those leaking holes, okay, things that are draining your business of money. Okay, and we see how you can seal those holes. All right, so by the way, I was saying that if you want to win a free 30 minutes consultation, all you just have to do is leave a takeaway, okay, something you learned from this video in the comment section, right? And by the end of this week, by Friday, I get to choose one person randomly from the comment section to have a 30 minutes free consultation with me. And once again, if you enjoy this video, if you find it useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Turn on that notification bell. And until next time, go get that sales. Go get more sales. Bye.